Just a moment, this is Censor Storm. I will quickly deliver the news about the Iran war. US B-2 bombers dropped dozens of 2,000-pound bombs on Iran's underground ballistic missile base. This is Tehran. The Israeli military is continuing additional attacks on Tehran. In Tehran, the Israeli military is bombing major facilities, and there is a lot of smoke. This is Zanjan, Iran. There was an Israeli airstrike here. This is Shiraz, Iran. Here, Iran's air defense system is operating. It seems there were airstrikes by the Israeli military and the US military. The Iranian military launched drones at the oil drilling facilities of the United Arab Emirates, attacking the oil drilling sites. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard released footage of ballistic missiles launched at US bases and Israel. Currently, red flags are being raised at mosques throughout Iran. It is said that these red flags symbolize revenge or all-out war. The United Arab Emirates announced that 2 Iranian drones attacked the Abu al-Salam naval base. It was revealed that this naval base is also home to French troops. This is Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. An Iranian drone struck a civilian apartment, but luckily, no major explosion occurred. This is Dubai under the United Arab Emirates. As Iranian drones near, alliance forces are working to stop them. Here is a satellite image of Dubai. Currently, you can see that a large fire has broken out at Jebel Ali port. This is Kuwait. As the Iranian military launches drone attacks, a US military base in Kuwait is being hit. This is the airspace over Jordan. Jordan's F-16 fighter jets are intercepting drones sent by Iran. This is Bahrain. Due to attacks by the Iranian military, large plumes of smoke are rising. Sirens are sounding throughout downtown Bahrain. Here you can see Tomahawk missiles being launched toward Iran. The US military discovered an Iranian escort ship in the Gulf and sank it. The Iranian escort ship has sunk. According to Al Jazeera, the United States is considering launching a preemptive strike before Iran attacks the US. Israel has mobilized 100,000 reservists, while South Korea's Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries told domestic shipping companies to avoid the Strait of Hormuz. President Donald Trump stated that 48 Iranian leaders were killed in US and Israeli airstrikes on Iran. He said, "No one will believe the success we are achieving. 48 leaders were eliminated at once, and things are progressing rapidly." President Trump said in a conversation with an Atlantic reporter that Iran's new leadership wants to talk with him and that he also plans to do so. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel announced that they will intensify airstrikes against Iran, declaring that the Israeli military is not holding back in its operations against Iran. Saudi Arabia said it intercepted missiles targeting Riyadh International Airport and Prince Sultan Air Base, where US troops are, and blamed Iran for the attack. A source who requested anonymity told AFP that on Sunday afternoon, Iranian missiles were successfully intercepted by air defense systems near Riyadh Airport and the Prince Sultan Air Base. The source requested anonymity due to the sensitive nature of the matter. The US Central Command stated that Iranian military forces, the Revolutionary Guard, and the police must lay down their weapons and surrender. According to the US Central Command, so far there have been a total of 3 US military fatalities and 5 seriously injured. There are also several minor injuries from shrapnel and concussions. If more news comes in, I will make and upload another video. This concludes the video. Thank you.